Okay, who are you?
Gabby.
And you're gonna sing?
Sophia the first.
Okay. Let's try this. Take 3. Go ahead. Maybe it'll work this time. Put your hand down.
I was a girl that built to it alright. Then I became a princess overnight. Now I gotta figure out how to do it right. So much to learn and see. Up in a castle with my new family. In a school that's just the royalty. So let's share the world.